Last year, 270,000 planes flew in and out of Luton and Stansted airports. But while many of us are flying more often, the criticisms about the impact on the environment are getting louder and louder. Well, today in Milton Keynes, the design of a new kind of green plane was unveiled. Jane Death was there.
Welcome aboard the A6 GreenLiner. Designed by aerospace students at Cranfield University, its mission is to fly greener. They've made it more fuel efficient, but there's a snag. A greener flight is also a slower one.
The wings are straight, whereas most sort of aircraft nowadays have swept wings to go faster. This doesn't go as fast as most modern aeroplanes. The idea is to try and reduce the drag and therefore reduce the amount of fuel burn. So it's like a glider wing, so it's a much more efficient wing.
At the moment, aviation is to blame for 3% of carbon emissions, although it's the fastest growing contributor. But a big chunk of the economy in the east is fuelled by the planes in our skies. Stansted and Luton employ tens of thousands of people. The airlines might not be buying into the idea of slow green planes yet, but the government could force them.
Currently the legislation is quite limited, but it might well be in the future that there will be requirements to pay more for fuel, really to cover the cost of carbon.
For the industry audience today, the GreenLiner posed as many problems as it solved. It's kinder on the environment, but harder on the passenger, although there is optimism about the future.
In another few years' time, we hope that you'll get the same efficiencies that they're looking at today, but combine that with speed, with habitability and with comfort.
Planes like the GreenLiner could be the best next step. As one delegate said today, we'll still be packed in like sardines, in the air for longer, but our consciences will be clearer. Jane Death, BBC Look East, Milton Keynes.
Staying with air travel.